Let's make smoky, salty, slightly sweet, and crunchy vegan bacon bits. This oven or air fryer recipe has only 4 ingredients. Combine cashews, liquid smoke, molasses, and salt, mixing to coat the cashews well in all of that bacony flavor. Transfer to a baking dish in a single layer, and don't forget to use every last drop of that bacon flavoring. You can bake your cashew bacon bits, or make them in the air fryer. Either way, they're a crunchy addition to salads, baked potatoes, or anywhere else that you'd use conventional bacon bits.